Fleet Cost and Care, we make fleet management software products to help everyone in your company work faster, easier, and smarter, no matter where they are. Your clerical team is essential for keeping things running smoothly, especially accounts payable, payroll, and receivables. But with inefficiency, redundancy, and poor visibility, these vital processes can slow down or just stop completely. Like when your admin team spends all their time tracking down information for billing and payroll, or when they enter duplicate information in different systems, wasting time and money. Some even have to play mind reader or referee between coworkers and customers in order to untangle conflicting information. But with our next-gen software and Atom mobile app, you can create a centralized system, allowing your team to easily complete every aspect of their job without messy papers, uncertainty, or conflicts. Key information flows through the company, increasing efficiency and accountability. Billing, payroll, and purchasing can be processed much faster, and information is easily verified, so your clerical staff has more time to do other important tasks. Don't get bogged down by outdated processes. Let us help you see your future. Call us for a free demonstration on how next-gen software and Atom mobile app give your clerical staff the right tools to keep your company running smoothly. You already work hard. Now work smarter.